Influenza was a disease that changed many perspectives of pandemics to come. In the historical point of the influenza pandemic of 1918, a Chicago public health official said, "Worry kills more people than the disease itself." This was the most famous quote representing the flu. The flu created major advancements in flu prevention, treatments, and revolutionized public health. America was not prepared for the outbreak, especially considering the health avoidance. The virus was found in Fort Riley, Kansas on March 11, 1918. It was started by the bacteria of birds, H1N1. It was called the Spanish flu, but it started in America. It was named after Spain because they were not included in World War I, which was going on at the time. The influenza had 3 waves. The second one was the deadliest, and by the end, it killed 50 million people. The vaccine was spread fast, with not enough time. Many soldiers in World War I died from the disease, and it made it harder to fight in the war. Summer 1918, 10,000 soldiers died when they were on a boat to France. It was a catastrophic event. The main military camp in the pandemic was Camp Funston. They were first affected by the flu, including 38 dead. On November 7th, America went through the Hindenburg Crossing and defeated them even though there was a shortage of members. On November 11th, Germany gave up because they were significantly weakened from the pandemic. In the end, the influenza made an outbreak of deaths than World War I, World War II, Korean War, and the Vietnam War. And first tracks of the disease were found in 412 BC. That's when they found the symptoms. In Italy, in 1357, they found a disease called influenza di freddo. That is where they got the nickname. First sign of the pandemic of the flu was in Asia in 1580, where 8,000 humans were killed. Pandemics have been around since the 6th century. Every virus affected many aspects of the pandemic and of the flu's pandemic, considering they all had the same outcomes. The main attraction of a disease are the symptoms. It is the driving force of the disease. Some of the main symptoms back then were coughing, shortness of breath, all-over aches, sore throats, runny nose, internal bleeding, and in the mouth. Also, cyanosis, which is blue skin, nails, and lips, is the reason why they nicknamed it the Purple Death. It had also caused airborne respiratory secretions, which is in the bacteria. The Spanish flu revolutionized medicine for many future pandemics to come. Since most antibiotics used today didn't exist then, there was a blood serum from healthy people so others wouldn't die from their infected blood. Another vaccine was Bacillus. It took away bacterial co-infections of the disease. After the flu, Russia was first to have a centralized public health care system. In the late 1930s through 40s, London would innovate vaccines. After that, in the 1945, the very first approved vaccine was fertilized chicken eggs. Another drug was improved in 1963 called Aduxarin. In 2012, mRNA vaccines created a long-lived immunity to influenza. In 2019 through 2020, as we all know, the COVID-19 vaccine prevented 7.5 million illnesses. Other improvements later on were ventilators made for future wars and antiviral medications. Public health revolutionized flu prevention, treatments, and major advancements in the 1918 flu pandemic. The Spanish flu made masters in evolution commitment to reshape the vaccine and medicament pandemic health. As William Osler said, medicine is a science of uncertainty and an art of probability.